Welcome to this essential guide on stakeholder analysis. Learn how to ensure project success through understanding and managing stakeholder expectations. In this session, we'll delve into what stakeholder analysis is and why it's crucial for the success of any project. Stakeholder analysis involves identifying stakeholders and managing their expectations throughout a project's lifecycle. Understanding and managing stakeholders is critical to avoid project failure and ensure alignment with project goals. Underestimating stakeholder influence can lead to conflicts, sabotage, and significant project delays. Ignoring stakeholders can result in unmet goals, budget overruns, and severe reputation damage. The first step is to identify all individuals and groups affected by or who can influence the project. Consider both directly and indirectly affected parties, as well as those with internal or external influence. Begin by brainstorming a comprehensive list of all potential stakeholders, including their roles and contact information. Group stakeholders logically and ensure no one is overlooked during this critical initial phase. Use an impact/interest matrix to analyze each stakeholder's influence on and interest in the project. Determine each stakeholder's power and interest level to strategically plan engagement and management. Each quadrant of the matrix suggests different management strategies based on impact and interest. High impact/high interest requires close management, while low impact/low interest requires monitoring. Assess each stakeholder's expectations, concerns, and any hidden interests they might have. Uncovering the needs, concerns, and potential conflicts of interest between stakeholders is essential. Develop specific strategies for interacting with and communicating with each stakeholder group. Create a detailed communication plan with methods like meetings, reports, and workshops for expectation management. Let's look at a real-world example. Implementing a new CRM system in an IT company. We will identify key parties and analyze their influence and interest to plan engagement strategies. Now it's your turn. Let's apply stakeholder analysis to planning a corporate event. Identify stakeholders, rate their impact and interest, and suggest engagement strategies. Let's reflect on how your perception of stakeholders has changed and what risks you've identified. Review your initial list and assumptions. Who did you initially overlook? What potential risks did you miss? Remember, stakeholder analysis is a success map, not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Effective communication and expectation management are critical. Apply these steps to your projects today. Share your experiences with stakeholder analysis. What insights did you gain? Discuss unexpected stakeholders, difficulties you encountered, and ask questions of your colleagues.